Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to CAD Tutorial BD. I am Mahadi Hasan. So today I will show you the underground water tank reservoir drawing. So here the given data. First, underground water tank size, just inner to inner, 10 feet into 8 feet, and the water tank RCC wall thickness 10 inch, water tank bottom slab thickness, base 18 inch, water tank top slab thickness 6 inch. So, and water tank height, inner height, is 5 feet 0 inch. So let's go to our drawing. First, here is the drawing page. We draw the underground water tank reservoir here. So first we draw the rectangular by its length. It's easy way. So first we shift at the rate of our water tank size 10 feet into 8 feet. So first we 10 feet, now comma 8 feet, enter. So here is the water tank size, inner size. So we check the dimension. Yes, this is 10 feet and it's 8 feet. So now our wall thickness 10 inch, so we offset this, enter 10, enter. Now click and outer set. So here is the shear wall, RCC wall is 10 inch. Okay, now we give a hatch here, edge enter, add to the peak point. Okay, choose the pattern. Okay, so it's the RCC hatch, concrete hatch. So first we change the layer, wall layer, wall layer. Okay, so here is the water tank plan. Okay, we give the dimension here. Okay, our dimension is too big, so we change the dimension size, text size here in the properties. First we text height 4 inch, offset 1. Okay, and arrow size 4. Okay, let's 1.5. Okay, and change. Okay, so now we give the dimension, continuous dimension, and give a total dimension here. Match the dimension. Okay, now give the other side dimension, match the properties. give a total dimension here, outer to outer, match the properties. Okay, so here is the water tank and the water tank plan. We give a text underline here, so underground water tank, water tank plan gives 4 inch 5 inch. Okay, so give underline. Okay, there is the underground water tank plan. Now we draw the basement plan, I mean the water tank base plan, the bottom slab, whatever you say. So first we copy this drawing, copy. Now stress the dimension. Okay, now we offset 10 inch by the each side. So first we O enter, 10 enter, so it's the base. So we change the footing, I mean footing. Okay, change there, and we change the dimension between that. Okay, it's no need to inner dimension, it need this dimension actually. Mistake. Okay, okay, it's underground water tank basement plan. Okay, now we give the reinforcement. So we draw a line. Now the clear cover is 2.5 inch, 2.5, and here also 2.5, 2.5. So now change the layer, I mean reinforcement layer, rod. Okay, 5 inch. Okay, stress 2.5. Okay, so here is the reinforcement. Because the top and bottom is same rod, so we underground water tanks basement, we just change the title here, reinforcement, sorry, underground water tank base reinforcement layer plan. Reinforcement layout plan for underground water tank base. Okay, so now we give a dimension here. It's okay, and draw a circle for marking its hatchet. Select object, Okay, it's enough. Okay, change the color blue. Okay, so we 16 shift percent C, the rate of 5 inch center. Okay, and we mention it best top and bottom layer. Okay, it's the top and bottom layer both, so we mention it also here, center, top and bottom. It's help us to identify. Okay, and also if your reinforcement is changed, I mean top and bottom is different reinforcement, you just copy the layout plan and just edit it top and bottom, only top or only bottom, two layout plan you show your drawing and just change in this portion. So we rotate this and just here. Okay, okay. So our bottom reinforcement layout, I mean basement layout plan is done. Now we just draw a top slab reinforcement layout plan. So top slab is not extended, it's the outline of the water tank, so just we remove it here and just keep it it's need one dimension, I think, no need another dimension. And our specification is just the outline, and it's the top slab outline here. So just to change the outline, I mean slab outline here, our ST section slab outline. Okay, and delete those dimension and just keep it. Okay, and change it. We give the straight reinforcement because there are no beam here and no span, so we not provide cranked bar. Actually we just give the straight bar, so it's normal slab, I mean 10 milli 5-inch center to center, top and bottom, it's okay. You just reinforcement layer from under tank, water tank, top slab, okay. And one things you need to provide here, the slab thickness. So you just draw a rectangular here and copy a text, and you just write 3 equal to 18 inch. T means thickness, and 18 inch your thickness. So just okay, only just, and copy it our top slab and just say 6 inch. 6. Okay. Okay, so our top slab layout is also done. Now just we need to cut a section for your section drawing. So we give a section here, section mark here. So section mark with x, y, z, anything you want to give here. So we just in our drawing we provide the x section. So we draw a section mark. I mean, it's easy. You draw it in your way. It's not that my way or another way. You just okay. You just in your way. We draw here and the section. Okay, text. Now we copy a text here. I mean x. Okay. This is the XX section. Okay. And now you just copy this and provide the wall layout plan and just okay. We should write those. Okay, so our section is XX section cutting is completed. Now we draw the cross section, I mean section XX. So just first we copy this because it's base plan. So first we copy it. Now we cross the section in XX. So when we cross this type section, we just see this, but just we draw the line. So first we draw the so our basement thickness is 18 inch. O enter, copy 18. So is our base. So we trim this tier, enter. Okay, trim. So we give the brick flat soling in our bottom base bottom. So offset this with 3 inch for brick flat soling, I mean BFS. So and now hatch it point, change the in brick, air brick. Okay, brick. Now we scale 25, 35. Okay, so here's the brick symbol for hatch. Now we change the layer, I mean wall layer. Okay, so it's our wall. Then now we go back to our data, and the water tank height, inner height is given 5 feet. So we inner height is 5 feet, so we copy this, CO enter, 5 feet, enter. Okay, we check the dimension. Yes, it's 5 feet, and the slab thickness of our top slab thickness is 6 inch. So 6, we just now TR enter, select TR enter. Okay, So here is the section we find out. Now we provide the reinforcement here. So first our copy 2.5 inch and also 2.5 inch and 2.5 2.5, which is the layer. I mean it's the reinforcement layer, I mean rod or reinforcement. So reinforcement. Now we give the okay. So it's the reinforcement. This cross, we see another rod by its cross section. So we circle here, draw a circle. Okay, circle, and now hatch it. Okay, 0. No. Okay. So now we give it by 5 inch center to center. So it's difficult to copy and paste. It's but you just do it very easier way by use array command. So just ar enter, select the object and another enter, and here is the option path or polar. We use the path, so path, select the path. Okay, so it's very easy. Double click here, just item spacing, we give the 5 in center to center, so give 5, enter. Okay, so if it's going to the outer side, you just export it, export, and just copy, move into your own site. So just we copy and paste our bottom side. So the bottom I mean the base reinforcement is completed in our section, and we just give the wall reinforcement. See you enter. I mean it's 2.5 inch, not 2.5. You give the 1. I mean 1.5. Okay. We use another array, ar enter, select, enter, path. Okay, I mean we 6, explode, just select and use the mirror command mi enter, click the middle point and click the okay, enter. It's so easy. Now we give the top slab reinforcement, so you enter. It's not important to give the same spacing to your section, it's just a sample, so you just give in your spacing, just okay, just do it. And so it's done, and it's very easy. And now we give the dimension. It's very important. In your cross section you just give, not only this type, okay, give it's 4 inch, but in your section you give it's 3 or 2 inch, so we give 3 inch 2, okay, it's also 2, not 2 2 1 spacing 0.5, okay, okay. So now copy contents dimension, okay, our dimension is completed. Now we point our reinforcement, reinforcement ID. So you just give a title here, section x, not 5 inch, it's give it 4 inch, okay, okay. Now give a ladder, give a text 3 inch, BFS, brick flat soling. So so now we point out bottom 16 mm. miss a dimension here. Okay, so now in top slab dimension, so our section access is also completed, and we just copy here and select. So this is the simple and very easy way for draw a underground water tank reservoir. So I think you better understand, and you just easily draw it. So if any hesitation, please comments in my video, and please share it for your friends and your circle. So no more today. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.